Most people are wrong about gratitude journaling, and so are you. What we have been taught with gratitude journaling is that you write down 3 things you're grateful for. That may be things, that may be people, that may be anything. But no one tells you that you should be grateful for yourself too. Like when you tell someone that you are grateful for them, think about what goes in that person's mind. Like you go and tell your mother that I'm so grateful to have you, mom. And she will feel good about that. She will really feel good. Like, yes, I'm worthy. Like someone is happy to have me in their life. You are gonna feel good. Okay, that is okay. And they are gonna feel good the most. If you're gonna feel good at this level, they are gonna feel good at this level. So, nobody told you this, but here it is. Start feeling grateful for yourself. Start listing out your accomplishments and achievements. Write down why you are grateful for yourself. I'm grateful for myself because I've been consistent in the gym for the last 6 months. I'm grateful for myself because I've been meditating for the last 5 months. I'm grateful for myself because I've been doing gratitude journaling for the last 5 months and my mental health is at its all-time peak. I'm grateful for myself for doing the hard things when I didn't need it to. And for that, I'm like receiving the benefits right now. I'm grateful for my past self. Like the 6 month year old self, like I'm talking about 2 different entities. I was a different person 6 months ago and I'm a new person 6 months ago. And the person I'm totally feeling grateful for my older self. And that is gonna make you really feel good. So you are doing gratitude journaling for the last few months or like last few weeks. That's great. You should keep doing that. But also include something about you. Like yesterday you worked out for 1 hour. Like yesterday you went on a walk for 30 minutes. Write that down. That is an achievement. Enjoy your small wins. Write that down and feel good. If you just write it down that yesterday I went on a walk and I'm grateful for myself that I went on a walk. You are going to feel good, like because you are feeling grateful for yourself. And that grateful feeling is being enjoyed by you. The concept is really simple. You make yourself feel good by feeling grateful for yourself. If you don't, then you're feeling grateful for everything in your life. But if you don't feel grateful for yourself, then nobody's going to feel grateful for you. Nobody's going to come to you and tell you, oh, so Subham, I'm grateful for you in my life. Nobody's going to do that because honestly, not many people practice gratitude. Like really, how many person have you seen doing gratitude journaling in their life? Not many, right? So nobody's going to come and tell you that they feel grateful for you. You need to do it yourself. You need to feel grateful for your small achievements, for everything. Like even if you like did something very small, like you brushed your teeth, you don't brush your teeth. Like I know not many people do that, but you don't brush your teeth, but you brushed your teeth yesterday. Feel grateful for that. Yes. So that was the point of this video. You're doing gratitude journaling, that is really great, but don't forget to feel grateful about yourself for the things you have done, for the right things you have done, for the achievements you have achieved. So that's it for today's video, and if you like today's video, subscribe to us because here we help young men become the best version of themselves.